Hi everybody, hope all is well. So here is we are at Toughest Telecom, Delhi's best, South Delhi's best smartphone premium center. So today we are going to share you something about an iPhone 7 battery replacement. This is an iPhone 7. This is the battery, 100% genuine battery for the iPhone which you will get from us. Then we have a screwdriver. Then we have a forceps. Then we have pluckers. We have screwdriver 2 and 3 also. Then we have the blade plucker, and then we have a blade plug, normal plastic plucker 2. So these are a very highly sophisticated tools which are required, and these should be done with a professional support only. So here are the 2 screws at the back of the near of the charging jack, and they will release it from here. After the removal of the screws, the time has come to remove the LCD. So we are using the plastic plucker and as well as the steel plucker to remove the LCD, which is a very sophisticated job because LCD should not be breaking in this period. So you need a proper professional training and experience about to do it. And here the LCD is being done properly and planned. We need a higher plucker for here to do the job, and this will make it remove from all the corners. This is the inside of the iPhone 7. This is the battery. This is the battery, and this lower side is the charging jack. Upper side is the corner side is the camera. Then we have the motherboard there. So the battery is now fixed with the plugging points behind it. We have to remove the old battery which has been pasted by the company and then install the new one. Toughest Telecom has been doing the best smartphone repair job for last 17 years. From starting iPhone 3G now to iPhone 12. Plenty of experience doing, plenty of experienced hands here, a team here to work upon. Every job is done nicely and the gadget aesthetics are maintained. We have to see and note to it that every point from which the battery points are being connected have to be removed, constraining the point that there should not be any jolt so that the band should not break, and the display comes out, so it gives us a free hand to work upon further. The battery socket line which is being distributed from the jacks of the other parts have to be removed, then only it will allow the battery to come out. So this now is the lowest part which is attached to the battery is coming out, and the more space is created. So the another task is the final major task, which is also involves on the removal of the pasting from the battery, because the battery has been pasted by the company at the back end with a very thick paste which has to be removed, otherwise it will not allow the battery to come out. So after when this is removed, when we place a new battery, we use a similar pasting, which is the most important and crucial part for the refixing also. So this, after removal of the pasting, here comes the battery coming out of the phone, and looks, see how beautifully it has been done, how professionally it has been done. So we have to now unbox the new battery packing to take out the new battery, which is now ready for going into the pasting and fixing at the phone. It comes with a paste module, as I was telling you, which is rarely available with any store. And this is the new genuine battery coming. This is on the right side is the old one and the left side is the new one, 100% original with the A-class output. So the battery is ready now to go for a fix, and this is the location which we showed you also earlier. The points are being connected. So we have to do a testing in the beginning to see that the battery position is not being cold. So just for a demo point we have to check the handset. Yes, now it is on, so the battery is responding perfect. So the new battery has been given a pasting at the back side for that requirement of getting it stick back to the base of the iPhone. So that pasting has been done. Now we will just pop out the